My name is Janine Houston, and today we'll be talking about gift cards. I will provide you with a brief overview of who Card Market is, what we do, and most importantly, how we can make you and your merchants money. Card Market is a gift card printing and fulfillment company. We are located in Nolensville, Tennessee, just outside of Nashville, so a great central location, especially for shipping around the US and Canada. And as a quick overview, Card Market prints gift cards exclusively through partnerships with processors and POS companies, and of course their resellers. Through our referral program, we take care of everything from collecting artwork to delivery, and customers are invoiced based on our standard pricing schedule, and you earn a monthly commission. So let's get into the gift card industry as a whole. There are some really interesting statistics, especially since the pandemic. Gift cards are more than just a gift, so they can be used as a customer service tool for retention, of course, loyalty rewards, and employees are really using the gift cards for employee benefits and rewards. So for example, my son works at McDonald's and they have an employee app where they log things that they do. So for example, if they log in on time every day for every shift, then they get extra points, and those points accumulate and they can then convert those over to gift cards. And believe it or not, self-use has grown significantly over the last few years, especially since the pandemic, specifically in the grocery industry. So from 2021 to 2022, people using closed-loop gift cards, which are our merchants, as a money management tool increased by 25%. So as you saw on the last page, of course, gift cards are still the most requested gift and have been for almost 2 decades, really since the inception of gift card processing. And consumers spend between $31 and $59 more than the original value of their gift card on average. So it's a great statistic to bring to your restaurateurs and retailers when talking about the benefits of gift cards. But the other side of that coin is a significant percentage of gift cards go unused, especially in the millennial age group. We don't really like to talk about it. We would prefer that the gift cards get used, especially since they do have that extra benefit of an increased check average. But you know, higher income individuals are most likely to have unused gift cards, with 64% reporting unredeemed cards. So when the gift card expires, the store can convert the unclaimed property and it's pure profit. So it's a little bit of a win-win situation for the retailer or restaurateur. So they're able to claim it if it's not used, and then they generally get a higher check average when it does get used. I often get asked if physical gift cards are still relevant, and they really are. So we're seeing that at least 60% of online gift card orders are still physical gift cards. They're just a nicer gift giving experience. So people that like to put an actual gift in a stocking at Christmas time instead of printing an email, we would just prefer a nicer gift for their children or whatever. So for example, I like to buy my children Chipotle gift cards, and I know that they're just going to convert that gift card into money that they can use from their app, but it looks a lot nicer and feels a lot better to give the physical gift card instead of just printing out an email. Plastic gift cards can be packaged with carriers, sleeves, or envelopes to make them feel more like a genuine gift. And traditionalists who opt for physical gift cards prefer them, that's about 61%. So again, because the recipient has something to unwrap. And almost 3/4 of consumers, according to Fiserv, prefer buying single merchant gift cards. So again, that's great for us because those are our merchants that we talk to. So having said all that, e-gift cards are gaining in popularity by leaps and bounds, and it's really a must-have instead of a nice-to-have option for merchants. So in fact, digital gift cards grew more in the past 2 years than was projected in the next 10. So it's really for the procrastinators. It's for those people that forget that it's Mother's Day, and on Saturday night they hop online and buy a e-gift card for their mom for the spa or what have you. So that's, again, it's for the procrastinator or the last minute gifts. That was a quick overview of the gift card market. So now let's get into the nuts and bolts of how Cardmark can help you and your merchants. So the first thing that we always like to talk about is the artwork. In order to be able to print great looking gift cards that represent the brand really well, we need to have great looking gift cards. And we have a full art department that are experts at designing beautiful gift cards. They do this day in and day out. And if your merchants don't have an agency or marketing department with design capabilities, they're a great option, and they're inexpensive. We charge $70 an hour and charge in 15-minute increments. So it's not terribly expensive for your merchants to go that way. We also have 2 presses. So the typical CR80 or credit card size card is run through the lithograph printing press. It does have CMYK color matching. And we generally quote 4 colors on the front of the card and 1 color being black on the back of the card. We can do 4/4, but it does cost a little bit of extra money because we have to reset the presses. Digital printing is a new feature in the last few years. We acquired a digital press just during COVID, and it's able to personalize or customize the cards a little bit better. So it's a different type of printing, and you can do different shapes and sizes. This is great for loyalty cards, gym membership cards, any kind of crack out cards, different shapes and sizes. So for example, if you have a brand that would like their gift card to be a special shape, like their mascot or something really cool and creative, they can go ahead and get that template, and we can make that work for them. So it's really it's a great way to use the creativity of the brand. So now let's get into fulfillment. So we have a product called Cardmarket Pro. We can work with your merchants to set up a shopping cart that looks and feels like their website to sell either physical or e-gift cards. So that's our key differentiator when we're comparing ourselves to gift card processors that provide e-gift card fulfillment. They can really generally only do the e-gift side, and they can't do the physical card. So that's where we come and are able to facilitate that fulfillment. So once a consumer completes their order, it is routed directly to our warehouse where we activate and add value onto the card. We place that card in a custom carrier with a personalized message from the consumer and ship directly to the end consumer. So the best part is all of the processing fees can be passed on to the consumer, so no extra cost to the merchant for this service. So let's have a look at how it would work for one of your merchants. So as we said before, we would make the website look and feel like theirs. So we provide a unique URL, and the merchant just needs to add buy a gift card or some other kind of language on their website. It will take them to that unique URL where we're hosting the shopping cart. And then the order is fulfilled by Cardmarket, and then the daily deposits go directly to the merchant. So it looks a little bit like this. So this is a physical gift card. So we've activated the gift card, we've put it in a carrier, we've printed a message, and then we put it in an envelope and ship it off. If they do choose an e-gift card, it's actually an email, again, with the look and feel of their gift cards. And it's a PDF that gets sent with the email that they can download. And it has a QR code, a barcode, and a human readable. So no matter how the cards are redeemed in store, the cashier can handle it. So let's walk through a live merchant site. From their site, the consumer would click on purchase a gift card, and they would get here. The consumer would then decide which design they would like. So if the merchant only has one gift card design printed with us, that's fine. That would just show up the one. But if they have multiple designs, then the consumer can choose what they like. In this case, we've decided to get an e-gift card. And then that gets delivered automatically. So we activate the number and it gets sent off to Cole in this situation. And then you'll see in this particular instance, the merchant has decided to actually absorb the processing fees, but if they do decide to pass those along to the consumer, that shipping and pick fee would then just be passed along to the consumer. So in a physical gift card example, if they bought a $50 gift card, the total would end up being $53.95 for shipping and handling. So from there, you can also check the order status, and you can also check your gift card balance. So there's a couple of other features that are on that website for the consumer. We have several integrations with gift card processors and POS providers. And if you don't see your gift card processor listed on this page, please let us know who it is, and I would love to talk to them about integrating to their API. So as long as they have a gift card API and it's for multi-locations, there's a good chance we'd be able to integrate to them. Finally, we can also set up a merchant ordering link for your websites so that your merchants can start a gift card order from your site. So it kind of takes you completely out of the mix. You don't really have to send any emails or call us with a referral. Of course, you can always talk to one of our account specialists, but you would just, again, do the same as your merchants. You would put information on your website, and then we would create a unique URL, and the merchant can then start a new order, upload their artwork, put in the quantity, their shipping information, etc. We would know exactly who it came from because we are tracking that URL, so we know that it came from iPoint POS in this situation, and so we would be able to make sure that we send the commissions back to them. So how can you benefit from adding gift cards to your array of products? So with our referral program, you will be paid a commission for gift card printing and for the online solution. So in this example, we've just listed out sort of a typical reseller and how many orders they refer over to us in a year. The same with the custom carriers you would get some commission for, as well as Card Market Pro. So you do get commission for the physical gift card shipping and handling fees, as well as the virtual cards, and then the monthly fees as well. So it's a great additional revenue stream that you can add to your quiver of products. I hope that information has been helpful. We look forward to working with all of you in the future. And of course, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Again, this is Janine Houston, and my email address is janine.houston@mycardmarket.com.